Forgotten username recovery failed on Soldo Fix. If your Soldo username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Soldo still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Soldo now relies on your registered email address as your main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Soldo app or go to the website. Enter the email link to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from Soldo, like account statements, card notifications, or payment confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Soldo support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Soldo removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Soldo business account in minutes.